Car AC vents can collect dust, dirt and germs over time. When the air conditioner is turned on, these particles can spread inside the car and cause bad odors or poor air quality. With a few simple tools and steps, you can easily clean your car's AC vents and make your driving experience more comfortable. Before cleaning the AC vents, make sure the car is turned off. This helps prevent dust from blowing around while you are cleaning and keeps you safe. Use a small, soft brush to clean the AC vents in your car. A paintbrush or any soft cleaning brush works well. Gently move the brush back and forth between the vent slats to remove dust and dirt. Be careful while cleaning so you can reach all the small corners without damaging the vents. This step helps loosen the dirt and makes the vents cleaner. After loosening the dust with a brush, use a vacuum cleaner to clean the vents. Attach a narrow nozzle or crevice tool to the vacuum so it can reach inside the small spaces of the vents. Gently move it along the vent openings to suck up the dust and dirt. This helps remove the loose particles and stops them from going deeper into the AC system. After removing the dust, wipe the vent slats with a microfiber cloth that is slightly dampened with soapy water. Gently clean the surface to remove any remaining dirt or stains. Make sure the cloth is only slightly damp and not too wet, because too much water can enter the AC system and cause damage. This step helps make the vents look clean and fresh. A car AC vent and duct cleaner spray is used to clean and freshen the air conditioning system inside a car. This spray helps remove dust, bacteria, mold and bad odors that can build up in the AC vents and ducts over time. To use it, spray the cleaner into the AC vents while the system is running or as directed on the product label. The spray moves through the ducts and helps clean the inside of the AC system, leaving the air inside the car smelling fresh and clean. Replacing the cabin air filter is an important step when cleaning your car's AC vents. The cabin air filter traps dust, pollen and other particles from entering the car through the air conditioning system. Over time, the filter can become dirty and reduce the airflow or cause bad odors. Installing a new cabin air filter helps keep the air inside the car clean and improves the performance of the AC system. It is best to check your car's manual to know when the filter should be replaced. Taking a little time to care for your car's AC system can make every ride more pleasant.